Hey, it's MamaUke. Let's learn the G chord. Ta-da! Here's the chord chart. I assigned G the color green, and anytime you see a G in any of my videos or printed PDFs, it will be green. The colors help you recognize the chords faster, and that increases your speed. Now the dots represent where to place your fingers. When there's more than one dot, I like to just start with whatever one's on the right. So let's take a look. On the count of 3, which string are we going to use? 1, 2, 3. You're right, the one on the far right. It's also called the first string. Which row are we going to play on that string? Count it down. 1, 2, the second row. Which finger? It says number 2, right? That's the middle finger. So let's place the middle finger on the far right string, second row. Now, the next finger that's easiest to play for this chord is your first finger because it's just 2 strings up on the same row. So I recommend just placing that one. This is what it sounds like now. Sounds kind of funny, right? It's kind of pretty, actually. It's not quite a G yet. We need that third finger, so place it right in the middle. We're just looking at the map now and matching it. There we go. Now we got the G. Sounds great. I like it. If yours doesn't sound quite like this, make sure that you're playing in the middle of the rows. Make sure you're pressing hard enough, and make sure that your ukulele is in tune. And keep ukuleleing.